All right, these are the answers to compound inequality day 2 for the first one here. We want to get this x by itself, so we want this minus 3 to go away. So we're going to be adding 3. But we've got multiple things here. It wouldn't be fair to just add 3 to one or to the other. So to be fair, we make sure that everybody gets this plus 3 here. Negative 1 plus 3 is 2. This now is just x because this is gone. And 23 plus 3 is 26. So we end up with all the numbers between 2 and 26. And again, to do that, we circle those, kind of highlight everything that's between them. And since it can be equal to here, I accidentally put an equal in there. Since it can be equal here but not there, we fill this circle in but not the other. Okay. Same idea here. I've got 5 times x. I want this 5 to go away. So I'm going to divide by 5, divide by 5. Make sure everybody gets divided by 5. I end up with 2 less than x less than 9. This means all the numbers that are between 2 and 9. So I'm going to put 2 and 9, circle, circle, fill in between. Can't equal 2, so we leave that open. Can equal 9, so we fill that in. So if x has something with it, no big deal. Let's get rid of those things. You just have to make sure you do it to all the sides. Down here with these or ones, we're just kind of treating them as 2 separate things. So for example, here, I'm going to divide by 15, divide by 15. X is less than 3. So you solve that one independent. Over here, we divide by negative 3. Because we're dividing by a negative, we got to flip the sign. And that's going to become 13 there. So one idea, x could be less than 3, which is all the numbers this way. Or x could be greater than 13. That's all the numbers this way. Same idea here. Only this one you don't need to solve. You're just working it out. This is numbers less than or equal to negative 40. Which are numbers this way. Or x is greater than negative 11, which just goes like that. All right. For number 5. Again, we're solving this. We're going to have to do 2 steps here. So I'm going to add 4, add 4, add 4. We get negative 30 less than 10x less than or equal to 60. All right. Then we're going to divide by 10. Which gives us negative 3 less than x less than or equal to 6. So we do the 2 steps on all the sides there. So this is all the numbers between negative 3 and 6. We can equal 6, but we can't equal negative 3. And then over here, I'm going to subtract 5. Negative 3x is greater than negative 9. Divide by negative 3. Because we divided by a negative, we got to flip the sign. So that gives us that one. Okay? Or subtract 1. 2x is greater than or equal to 18. Divide by 2. We get x greater than or equal to 9. So I want all the numbers that are less than 3, this number's going this way, or numbers that are greater than or equal to 9. And that's numbers going this way. Should have a good feeling about which one's which. When we get here, we got the 2 arrows going this side. So we can either be here or we can be here, right? So either x can be less than or equal to negative 26. That's what's showing here. Or x can be greater than or equal to negative 5. That's what's showing here. So we have the 2 arrows like that, one or the other. Okay. On this one, we are talking about the numbers in between. So we write down the numbers and we actually put the x in between there. Okay. X can be anything in between them. And since 4 is less than 126, we fill in with less than signs. It can equal 126, so we equal there. But it can't equal 4, so we leave that open.